Guys, today is May 28, 2025. This is our second day here in Taipei, Taiwan. So yesterday we went to Chiang Kai-shek, Taipei 101, the Liberty, or whatever they call that here. I slightly forgot. And I wasn't able to film all of them because first, I don't have a battery anymore. And then second, we walk a lot that my feet hurts a lot. So, hindi ko siya na-film lahat, but I had a short clip. So, we went on the ETF floor of Taipei 101. I think that's the very top. And one of the downside lang na pumunta kami doon is it's raining. So, marami siyang clouds. Hindi siya lang makulimlim, pero punong-puno ng clouds yung paligid. So, we don't see the view at all. Nakita namin is yung mga clouds lang. I'll show you here. And aside from that, yesterday we were looking for the Ichiran, but we couldn't find it anywhere. But once we found it, it's temporarily closed. It's for maintenance. So, hindi ko ganong na-film yung yesterday. Pagod, guys. Pero maganda yung Taipei 101 yung view doon. You should go to. So now, nag-ayos na ako. So, I could be ready for today. I don't have a specific itinerary for today, but I'll show you every one of them. Walang ganong tao, guys, and it's raining. Maybe because sobrang aga na. Ambon, lamig. Alimutan ko yung jacket ko. Parang alamigin ako. Ay. We're now inside the bus. Now it's 7:16. We're now on the way to the JU Park. Nasa itong park na to, para sa province vibes.
Kuya, yung mga number daw na 4 na digits yung hindi natin yan.
Ha?
4 na digits. So, hindi natin pwede sabihin 4 na number.
Pwede dito magpahinga.
가기가 있어요. 이게 바로 그 유명한 여왕주예요.
Dang. Yeah. So many people.
Ayos ka naman. Wala, ang lalata.
We're now here at Ilio JU Park. Yeah. Nalakad ko malayo, guys. Wala namang araw kasi. Haba ng pila, guys. Ano na? Oh. Kay Queen's Head. Get inside. Doon kami galing kanina. Now we move to here. Saan ba murang ganito? Wala kang alam na murang bilihan ng ganito.
18.
Fried with egg lang.
Wala sa tayo.
We're now here at Mokong Station. Mokong Gondola. And then we're gonna buy ice cream. Yep. Pagod na ako guys. Hindi pa ako nagre-retouch ever. Since umalis kami ng ever since umalis kami ng hotel. Pagbaba dun guys, dito yung ice cream. There we go. Diyan yung bibili ng ice cream. Yung parang walang asukal, no? Pure.
Ang boring mo dito, no?
Dito. Ang tahimik kasi, te.
Kaya nag-vlog.
Nag-vlog ako, hindi mo lang napansin.
Tapos di mo ko sinama.
Oh,
Ano ang sisikat niyan? Ikaw lang sisikat.
We're now back here at Taipei Zoo Station. Hindi namin nabutan yung Taipei Zoo. Kaya maupong gondola na lang kami. Ngayon pabalik na kami na Siminting. In my face, it's very visible that I'm so tired already. But right now, we're here at Ichiran. Over there. Because we're gonna eat ramen. Okay. Before leaving here, before leaving Taipei, Taiwan, we wanted to experience eating Ichiran. So we're waiting patiently for an hour already to get our opportunity to order and then to get inside the shop. But right now we only have the queue of what time we should be there or what number we should be there so that they can get our orders. Yeah, so let's just wait for it. Thank you. My order is now here. Let's try it. Nakakapag-itchira na yung laki nilang sapat. It's our third day here in Taipei, Taiwan, and I don't know yet where we are going. So I'll bring you with me, but I'm not quite sure if I'll be able to like talk in the video. I'll just probably put some short clips of the places we're gonna go to today. Okay. It's our third day, guys, and it's raining. We're gonna push through and go to Ulan. Ulan. Hindi pa ba? Guys, sobrang foggy. And it's raining. Lamig! Yung shades ko na iwan ko sa bag.
Grassland, ah.
Guys, tignan nyo naman gano'ng ka-foggy. Oh. Saan pupunta? Doon sa taas?
Foggy. Na natin. Dito na tayo. Dito.
Guys, paano mapag-picture kung ganyan ka ano yung fog and then it's raining and then mahangin. Super lamig siya talaga, guys. Pero nakapag-take down kami ng picture. Yan. Kung makikita nyo guys, walang makikita dun sa dulo.
Pero ang ganda niya.
It's all foggy and everything.
Ganda siya talaga pag ano.
Lalo kapag may araw. Kasi ang lamig guys, basang-basa na kami. So we're gonna go to our next destination.
Babalikan na lang siya.
Yep. Maybe soon, someday.
Someday. With palm.
Yeah.
With palm.
Ang lamig niya guys. Switzerland.
Oo. Switzerland to pala. Switzerland to.
Ng Taiwan.
Ng Taiwan.
Let's go. Thank you, Grassland.
Thank you, Grassland.
We hope to see you soon again with some sunny and not so cold weather.
Babalik at babalik.
Yep. Sobra guys.
Babalik ako ng Taiwan para lang sa'yo.
We're just waiting for the bus going back to Jiantan Station. so we could visit another attraction. Ang basa na yung hair ko, guys. What the heck? Part 2 of Taipei Zoo. Because yesterday we were not able to get inside. But right now we made sure.
Dito ka sa gilid para di basa.
Before 4, we're here. It's raining. Ah. Oh my gosh. Nakatago sila. Sobrang lawak ng zoo nila, guys. Tapos na masawala. Next na is Panda. Alam.
Accessible kaya tayo.
It's my first time, guys, to see a panda. It's actually my first time to get inside a zoo. Hey, little panda. Unlimited matcha, guys. Ginagawa nila. Nagawa mo yun. Sana sumabay na tayo kanina, no?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Bye-bye! Okay, do video. Okay.
You know coriander?
What's that?
Coriander, cilantro.
Yeah, okay. sila buong araw na sila nag-work.
Trabaho nila.
We're now on the way home. Today is May 30, 2025, and we're on the way home. We're just waiting for our group number to flash on the screen. We have our boarding pass and then passport already.
Tapos duty mamaya.
Yeah, sleep lang kami ng konti and then duty the next day.